You paid to heat your water this morning. You will pay again tomorrow morning. Every morning for the next 20 years, your water heater will burn gas or electricity. It raises cold water to 120 degrees before it reaches your shower or dishwasher. There is a pipe at your hardware store right now. Black polyethylene irrigation pipe. 100 feet long. That costs $35. Coiled on your roof, it preheats incoming water by 20 to 40 degrees using nothing but sunlight. Your water heater runs less. Your bill drops 30 to 50%. This principle has been documented by the National Academy of Sciences since 1961. The solar contractor quotes $4,200 average installed. The material that does the same job costs $35. There is one document I'm going to show you at the 7-minute mark. A specific code section added in the mid-70s explains exactly why you never heard about this. Stick around. Solar water heater installed. $4,200 average. Components include collectors, heat exchangers, pumps, and controllers. Total honest material cost is approximately $1,200. What they charge is $4,200, with $3,000 in overhead and profit. The DIY system includes the pipe, brass valves, and roof strapping. Total cost is $72. Both systems use the same energy source, sunlight hitting a dark surface. One costs $72 and takes an afternoon. The other costs $4,200. The pipe cost per BTU is 43 cents. The professional system is $24. That is a 57-fold difference for the same thermodynamic principle. The plumber charges $4,200 for a reaction that sunlight triggers. Here is why black polyethylene works and why clear pipe does not. Black body radiation means a perfect black body absorbs 100% of incident radiation. Black poly absorbs 95% of solar radiation, while clear pipe absorbs far less. 100 feet of pipe intercepts nearly 3,000 watts of solar energy. Water flowing through the pipe absorbs that energy as sensible heat. Q equals meters times CP times change in temperature. You get a water temperature rise of 24 to 36 degrees. Your water heater receives this preheated water instead of freezing ground temperature. Burner runtime drops by up to 50%. Right now, you might be thinking, if this works, why hasn't every plumber mentioned it? The answer is that a $35 pipe solves the problem once. A $4,200 system requires service, permits, and warranty contracts. The economics made the decision, not the engineering. Stop. 31 million households have enough sun to make this viable. The National Academy of Sciences report was available in university libraries. In 1974, Congress passed acts creating frameworks for state licensing. The licensing language was drafted with input from contractor associations. The licensing code was written to ensure you needed to pay someone. The licensing requirement is not a safety standard. It's a commerce standard. 41 states require a licensed plumber for these connections. The failure rate is statistically identical. The certification body requires installation through licensed contractors. No certification, no 30% federal tax credit. Silicon Decay reality check. This system has real limits. It works best in climates with 200 or more sunny days per year. In northern climates, you must drain the coil in winter. If your water heater is gas, savings are lower than electric. But if you have an electric heater, this changes your bill permanently. Start with 100 feet of 1-inch black polyethylene pipe. Do not buy clear or white pipe. Black poly only. The color is the mechanism. Coil it on your roof's sunniest face, south or west facing. Secure with roof strapping every 3 feet. Connect the outlet end to the cold water inlet using a brass T. The T allows you to bypass the coil in winter. You do not need a pump. Municipal water pressure pushes it through. Go outside and look at your roof. Find the face that gets the most sun. Come back. Come back and tell me in the comments what climate you're in. I want to see the map. You now know something the lobby hopes you never connect. The $4,200 system does one thing. So does the $35 pipe. The difference is who gets paid. Next, the $1 film that cuts 60% of your window heat loss. And why window companies lobbied to keep it off consumer packaging since 1958. That one is in the Home Depot window film aisle right now. Thanks for watching. See you in the comments.